What if you could stay connected no matter where you were? From the depths of the ocean to the middle of the desert and every frozen tundra and forest in between. Imagine a world where connectivity isn't tied to your location. Change is within reach. We are connecting the world place by place. We're going to the four corners of the world and right to your hometown, connecting places. We turn miles into inches, reaching users from 200 kilometers across mountaintops and wastelands, through sun, rainstorms, and freezing temperatures, right down to the last meter to every device. We're helping our customers build networks where working from the countryside is as fast and reliable as doing business in the city. Imagine the possibilities. Healthcare without borders. Research without limits. We're bringing broadband connectivity and cloud-based network intelligence anywhere and everywhere. Think about the freedom that comes from unlimited connection. That's changing the world. We are Cambium. Where do you want to be?